So, a lot of you already applied for the Google Gemini Student Ambassador program, and you want to know what are the next steps for getting selected and what are the tasks we have to perform. So, here is the video for all of you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Also, if you want to know more about the Google Gemini's Ambassador program, all the links are present in the description box. Now, once let me just brief you about this particular opportunity. So, Google Student Ambassador program is a campus level program. Means here you have to host some of the events once you get selected, and when you complete those events you earn some points which will be helping you to earn some cool rewards including cash, free pixel phone, and much more. You can see these are the cash rewards and these are the goodies which you'll be getting. Now, who can apply? It's very simple. If you're a college student, a citizen of India, then you can apply for this particular opportunity. All you have to do, just click on register now and enter your basic details over here. And then simply click on next, answer some of the questions and submit. Now, here we are talking specifically about the next step. If you want to know how to fill the form, we have covered the video. You can watch it in the description box. So what are the next step? Once you have completed and your profile is shortlisted, you'll receive this kind of mail within 2 weeks of the submission of this application form. Okay, within 2 weeks of the submission of this application form, sometimes even early within 24 to 48 hours. Here what they are asking, here they are asking to do 5 things over here. First of all, you have to make a short. You must be knowing how short. It's a portrait video mode. You have to show your face and introduce yourself within 30 seconds. See, the video you have to make is under 3 minutes. You have to show yourself within 30 seconds. Okay. And you have to just explain about yourself as you are explaining to 500 freshers at the orientation session. You have to do the second thing, that pick any object. You can pick your mouse, keyboard, anything, and pitch it. Means you have to just explain it thinking it as a Google product. Third thing, you have to explain about the campus. Okay, that other people who are not part of that particular campus, you can just explain about any spot, favorite spot, or any other specialty which is very few among other colleges and people won't know about it. After that, you have to tell us about your failure, if you failed in any of the examination. Okay, or if you prepared for any other projects which failed. Okay, so here you have to just share your failure with which you learned and improved yourself. Here you don't have to tell about the failure. After that, you have to tell about how you overcame and just learn from it. After that, there are some challenges that you can just write it, that the most talked thing about your campus. You can just take any of the Gemini product or concepts and just write it over here. Means write not, you have to speak it. You can take the help from AI to generate the script. Okay, now basically all these things must be done within 3 minutes, not less than, not more than. Within 3 minutes means around 2 minutes also you can make. There is no issue. Maximum time duration is 3 minutes, so you can make it within 60 seconds also, but it is better to at least have 2.5, means 2.5 minutes. Okay, you can just make that video and you have to just make a Google Drive link and then make it shareable to them. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. You have to introduce yourself, you have to pitch any of the product. After that, you have to share the campus insight, and any failure of yours you can just share. A lot of us fail, even we have also failed multiple times in different things, and we learn from it. After that, you have to just make a challenge. Okay, which you must have talked about. In case you haven't talked it, just take help from the AI and just speak in your own language. After that, what you have to do, you have to just click on this form link. This form link will be only sent to the people who are shortlisted, so you have to wait after filling this application form. Okay, in this application form also basic details they are asking. Now once this application form is open, let me just show you the next step. So here you have to enter your full name. Okay, full name, even if you are having first name, just mention it. Email ID with which you have received this shortlisted email. Okay, that email ID you have to use. Do not use different. Now here they're asking for video pitch link Google Drive. Okay, so you have to simply go to drive.google.com, and here you can simply drag and drop, or you can simply file upload and upload any of the file over here. Like, let me just upload it. Okay, let me just upload a sample file. I will show you. So we are just uploading a sample file. I'll show you how you have to just make it public. It's similar for the video format also. You have to upload it and wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you just submit the form, because video processing takes time. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on these three dots. You can see here share option is not showing. I think it will take some time. Okay, here it is showing. Just click on this share. Okay. After that, you have to change the settings to anyone with this particular link. And then you have to just copy this link, wait for it to update it. You have to copy this particular link, come over here, paste the link. Make sure the video is public. You can just open any of the new tab or a different browser and view the video is working or not. Then you have to share the link. After that, you have to enter the college university link, website, state, city. Then you have to just mention your Instagram handle. Okay, whatever handle is there, you have to mention the number of followers you are having. Okay, number of followers you are having. It does not matter even if you have 0 followers. You can just do one thing. You can share within your campus and attain more followers over there. It's very simple process. You can just share with your friends. After that, you have to upload the in screenshot of the Instagram profile. Okay, showing your username, profile photo, bio, and follower count clearly. So you have to wait for the Instagram page. Okay, you can take the screenshot and fill the form with mobile phone also. There is no restriction like this. Now here we have to take the screenshot of this particular page. So let me just show you. This is the page. You have to take the screenshot from here to here. All the things should be mentioned. You can just add the bio also, and make sure all things are visible. You have to take the screenshot, drag and drop, or simply upload it directly. After that, you have to go to your LinkedIn profile. Just go to linkedin.com. You have to share your LinkedIn profile URL, number of connections. Okay, let me just show you this also so that you are able to understand. So from here, you have to just come to the linkedin.com. Just go to the profile. Okay. From here, you can see public URL is here. Just copy it. Come over here. Let me just show you. Paste the link over here in the LinkedIn profile URL. Number of connections you have to mention. Number of followers, not number of connection. You'll find over here 3 connection is there. I am suggesting one more thing, that within your college you may be having multiple friends. You can share your LinkedIn profile and attain at least 50 to 60 connections. It will be better. Even if you don't have, do not worry. You can just mention the connection. Now upload the screenshot. Which is screenshot? This particular screenshot you have to attach. Okay. You can attach this particular screenshot, and then you have to just select all these checkbox and click on submit. After submitting all the data, you'll get another mail within a week or maybe 2 weeks. It will take some time. Sometimes within 2 days also you'll get the mail. Okay. So after that, you'll get a final reminder to complete your onboarding process. This is the final step. Now here what we have to do, you have to click on this particular link. Here one PDF will be also there where you have to simply sign in. Okay, you have to just sign. If you face any issue, you can share the screenshot of that particular PDF on my Telegram channel or maybe on Instagram too. Now here is the onboarding step. Now here you have to enter your full name, again date of birth, phone number, Gmail ID, state, city, college, website, university name, all the things you have to mention. After that, you have to write the full official name of your degree program. Okay, DTL program, you have to mention it. This will be entered in the certificate. So make sure there is no any spelling mistake. Then you have to click on next. Now here they are asking for documents. Okay, like Aadhaar card and PAN card. If you don't have these things, then you cannot apply for this opportunity. Okay, so you have to enter the Aadhaar number, upload the Aadhaar card. Now here both sides must be clearly visible. So what you can do, you can just make a Word document and attach all the images, or you can just merge the PDF and upload over here for both the side. After that, here asking the PAN details. So you can just mention that thing and upload again and just click on next. After that, it is asking the t-shirt size. You have to select the t-shirt size and just enter your full address. Now here a lot of you are having issues that here it's asking for college address. So you have to enter the college address only so that your goodies are shipped to you, because you'll be getting a welcome kit over here. And in the next step, you have to upload the signed contract. So the contract, as I said, here it will be attached below. You have to just upload that particular thing. And then I confirm and submit the onboarding form. Once you have done, after 24 to 48 hours, you'll be getting a WhatsApp group link. Secondly, you'll be getting access to the portal where you have to just perform some of the tasks. Now, coming to the task, what you have to perform over here, you have to host events. Okay, you have to host events over here and help people to know more about the Gemini. There'll be multiple events. If you perform well, you'll be getting a chance to meet Sundar Pichai. You can see these are the point system. They'll be giving you points which you can use to redeem swags also. And it is a physical Amazon vouchers also. So all these things I wanted to share. You can see the top performers will be getting Pixel phone. If your reels are getting 1 million plus views, then you'll be getting a chance to get featured on the Google India page. So these are the all things I wanted to share because a lot of you are asking that we know how we have applied to particular opportunity, but we not know what are the next steps ahead. So this is the thing we covered. If you still have any doubts, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.